Hello, I wanted to hop on today and talk to you a little bit about essential oils and some of the misconceptions around them. I hear sometimes people say, oh, we've been really healthy in our house and we don't really need oils. I'm not sure what we would use them for, things like that. Essential oils are great to be used for supporting your hormones, supporting your moods, supporting your immune system. Supporting your sleep, things like that. So there's multiple different ways that you can use essential oils, not only in times when you're not feeling good or somebody in your house is not feeling good. I personally use essential oils daily. How I look at essential oils is like they're like nature's vitamins in a bottle. So when you're using essential oils daily, you are using nature's goodness to help your body support it naturally. Because if you think about vitamins, for example, many vitamins are made with synthetic ingredients. And so when you're taking a vitamin with synthetic ingredients, your body really doesn't know what it is. It'll use some of it, but a lot of it, it will excrete out through your skin and your urine and things like that. But when you're using something that is coming directly from the nature, your body can recognize it, it can utilize it, and it can just disregard what it doesn't need. So I personally made the switch to natural things several years ago because I was worried about using synthetic things in our home. I use only whole food vitamins, and I also like to use the essential oils to support my body naturally. For example, during the day, I might add a couple drops of lemon or wild orange in my water. I might use peppermint to help me wake up and kind of re-energize in the afternoon. I'll use frankincense in my moisturizer for my skin health. I'll use lavender to relax and support sleep. There's so many different ways that you can use essential oils, not just for times when you're possibly not feeling good and need extra immune boosting. You can just use them daily and give your body the benefits of nature every single day. And it's very easy and simple to do. And what I do is I like to show my clients the best ways to use your oils and how you can use them to support your body throughout the day. By starting your morning with a couple drops of lemon essential oil in your water. The benefits of using that versus regular lemon is that regular lemon can be really acidic in your mouth and harmful for your teeth, especially for your enamel. But the lemon essential oil actually comes from the rind of the lemon, so that it's filled with more vitamins because it comes directly from the rind. And it's also not harmful to your enamel because it's alkaline by the time it's in an essential oil. So it's not acidic for your teeth and your mouth and your body like using lemon is. So instead of always worrying about, oh, I gotta buy some lemons again today, I ran out, you can just have your essential oil bottle at your house on your counter and you can use it whenever. I like to use wild orange a lot and even make my healthy soda alternative with just some carbonated water in a glass and then a couple drops of wild orange. Tastes like orange soda without the chemicals, without the sugar. Things like that. So there's several different ways you can use essential oils throughout the day to help support your body naturally. So I truly, truly encourage you to look into them, to experience them. If starting out with multiple essential oil bottles at once seems overwhelming, just pick a couple and just start using them. For example, if nothing else, get a bottle of the lemon essential oil and use that in your water. I want to caution you though, as a certified health coach and essential oil coach, I only recommend the doTERRA brand to my clients, and that's the only brand I use myself because it's therapeutic certified and it goes through very strict quality control. Each bottle has a number on the bottom that you can go and check the quality control reports for. And it also will have an expiration date printed on the bottom as well. And if it's okay for internal use, it'll have supplemental facts right here, or supplemental facts to help you see which oils are good to be used internally. There are certain oils that should never be used internally, regardless of the brand. But those oil bottles will not have the supplemental facts, so you'll be able to figure that out very quickly. So that was all. I just wanted to talk to you today about why you should have essential oils in your home, why you should use them daily, not just think that there's some weird things that you gotta pull out when you're not feeling good. I want everybody to remember that essential oils are really the nature's goodness. So when you're using essential oils, you're harnessing the power of nature, and you are supporting your body naturally with the compounds found in nature. So I highly, highly encourage you to start using essential oils for your everyday health. And please contact me if you have any questions, and you can visit my website at reiaeden.com. It's REIJAEDEN.com, or you can check out my doTERRA site as well. It's mydoterra.com/ReiaEden, REIJAEDEN. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.